All right, folks, example number 3, it says finding the coordinate, find the value of y so that the line passing through the 2 points has the given slope. All right? Cecilia, help me out on this one. Okay? What am I going to use? Okay. So I have this point with an x and y. I have this point with an x and y.
Find the slope, so you're going to use
the slope formula, which is what?
y1 minus y2.
So m equals
y1 minus y2.
y2 minus y1 is the way they normally do it.
Right. X, yeah.
Which is just to say y minus y on top, x minus x on the bottom. Okay. Now let's fill in what we know. Okay. What do I know? What is m? Do I know what m is? Do I know its value?
No. Yes.
I do. What is it?
-1.
It is -1. So I'm going to put -1 here for m. Okay. Now over here on the right side, I'm going to just draw my parentheses and I'll fill in what I know. Okay. So what would you like on top here?
3 and y.
3 and y. Okay. And then on the bottom?
-1 and 5.
Okay. Good. Now, here's my variable that I've got to solve for, right?
Oh, it's a 4.
That's fine. Now, let's help simplify. What do I get on top?
3 minus y.
3 minus y. And then on the bottom?
-6.
-6. And where would you go from there? I'm going to get a different color, just so we can see.
I would multiply -6 by each side.
Multiply each side by -6, right?
Right.
Okay. And what do I get?
6
6 equals
3 minus
3 minus
y.
y.
And you subtract 3 from both sides.
Subtract 3 from both sides.
So 3 equals -5.
Love it.
And then you multiply by -1.
Okay. Or divide by -1.
Or divide by
Either way.
and you get -3 equals 5.
Exactly. So that means at that point that we started with up here, it needs to be 5, 5, -3. So that the slope between this one and this one equals -1. Okay? Yeah, Dylan, you had something earlier. I made you wait.
Okay, well, that's a different question, but on this one.
Okay, on this one.
Could we have, can you go down back to
Yeah.
Could we have subtracted 6 from both sides, had -3 minus y?
Wait. Subtract. Oh, right here?
Yes, and
At
then
this
add
point?
y, then add y both sides.
Sure. You could have added y, and then you have y plus 6 equals 3, and then subtract 3, and you get y is equal to -3. Same thing. You can do whatever you want, as long as you do it to both sides of the equation. Okay? All right, good job. Let's look at the next one.